Bitcoin just break out one special pattern and you start the bull one. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend if you like this kind of information. Welcome to ymchannel. Today, I will give you the analysis for Bitcoin. What kind of pattern and what is the next target price for this bull one? Welcome to ymchannel. So this channel is about education sharing for technical analysis for the trading strategy and the money mindset to help you to make more money. We don't recommend you to do any trade. So now let's look at Bitcoin. Basically, this is a weekly chart. So let me do this one first. So basically, Bitcoin has formed a triangle pattern just like ETH. So in my previous video, I have also mentioned the ETH. And in this video, basically 3 months ago, I have already told you we are in the bull wave one, the bull stage wave one, okay? The bull stage wave two is show to fall. So what happened right now is the Bitcoin form a triangle pattern here, you can see. And basically this week, it just have a big green candle go above this triangle. So what happened is we are not inside the triangle anymore. If you look at the ETH, it's still inside the triangle. So in my last video, I mentioned how to compare which one is stronger. So now you understand why I say Bitcoin is stronger than ETH this moment. So basically, ETH is still forming a triangle and most likely will go to the top. And most likely, I would say most likely, it will follow the pattern as Bitcoin. Okay? So I want to analyze with you for the Bitcoin. This is a weekly chart. So it's about middle long term. Okay. So basically from the top of this trend line, this is a strong resistance line. Basically, when it form, let me see, can I do it here? Basically around here. Okay. Basically, this one is serve as a support when they are above this trend line, which is around 31,000. Around 31,000. And then it serves as support for a few times. This is a weekly chart. And then it form a resistance since the stock go under this trend line, you see? And then you're forming a triangle, getting narrow, 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 which is quite interesting. Now we break through. What happened is, look at our RSI for weekly chart. Basically, it's oversold, slightly oversold, but we are still going up, okay? And what happened is, in our past history, so for example, 2020 October, we also break through this RSI. And from this, we have a big jump and you don't want to miss it. Okay. If you miss it, you need to wait for the next round. Okay. The other one, how about here? This one, it doesn't happen. It's not October. How about 217? We also have a big jump in November 6th. So which is not too far from our price range also, which is today is October 24th, right? So this jump is quite critical also. Let's see. So from here to here, which is 231% jump up. Okay. How about this one? This one, they jump all the way up. It's like 460%. Okay. So are we going to have a big jump? Hopefully. And so where is the next target? I would say the next resistance, which is if you pull a line from this resistance to the bottom and you copy and paste to here, basically is roughly around 45,000, which is the previous peak here. Okay, so this one, when we hit here, it's possible they will pull back for weekly chart. They will pull back. So you can also pay a close attention for this RSI for weekly chart if you're a long-term trader. Okay, for the daily, for the short-term trader, I also mentioned in my group, actually for a few videos, I have mentioned how to buy Bitcoin with my indicator, which is on this day, when day one candle, you use my indicator called YM Club Long and YM Club Fast. One candle go above both lines. So this is our first build stock, our first build in. Okay, so you put like a small percentage because the blue is still going downward. Okay, you buy here, which also lying on this trend line perfectly. So it's a very safe point to buy also. Okay, if you compare with my other indicator around this price, look at the YM big buy right above zero, right touching the 0 point. Okay, how about YM cheapest? YM cheapest, still a lot of green chips. Okay, so it's not the best buy point here. Okay, the second best buy point is here. Why? Because the blue line, my indicator, this one is the upward trend. You see, this is going upward. So this is upward trend. Second, the price just one candle go above both red and both blue. So with my strategy, this is the second buy-in point. Okay, so basically what happened is if you look at this buy-in point, first, there's no more green chips here. So all lock individual got kicked out. Is it cool? Yes. So, and then the purple line is going upward. The red bar is go above this purple line. And this YM big buy, what happened here is just go across the 0 level. So this is perfect buying point for us, okay? So I'm not your financial advisor, but I did buy in this point also, this and this, okay? So if you want to trade really well, please use my indicator because they can tell you when to buy and when to sell easily. Okay, if you don't know much about trading analysis, watch my video on YouTube. This is a free information for you. So right now, what happened for the not daily chart, the one, if you haven't entered the Bitcoin, what should you do? First, we look at the RSI is already over 50. Basically, yesterday, I also launched a video about Coinbase. You can have a look. I will put in the end of the video. And also, look at the RSI. We are in the oversold. Do we need to worry? Do we need to sell now? No, because there's no signal we should sell now. Okay, so is it a good point to buy? I'm sorry, no. According to my strategy, you need this to pull back to buy. This is already over so soon, unless you are a long-term buyer, unless you can close your eyes, because it could go back to this support line. Okay, I don't know when, but it could go back. But if you are using weekly chart, if you have the look at here. So we just go above this. Okay, so some people ask, should they buy now or should they? If you go for long term, you can still enter the market. You can still enter the market. If you look for long term and you are okay to bear this risk, which go down to the support point, you are fine. If not, you wait for better points to buy with the daily chart, which is here, and you have to have your own strategy how to buy. If you don't have, you have to, I not have to, but I highly recommend you to get my indicator, which you can unsubscribe anytime and to help you to make a lot of money. And you know how much I make from here to here? Okay, let me see. From here to here, I'm making huge here, like around 30% right now. 30%. Okay. So yeah, so this is and you see the red chip is still going up. We shake out all the green and the red chip start to push up the price. So the third buying point is the pullback when they have the pullback. Okay. I don't know when yet, but it looked really, really strong. It looked so strong. Let me show you again the weekly chart. The RSI just over 70. Okay, and then the green bar is very big green bar, is much bigger than the previous one. So is it strong? Yes, it is very strong. And is it possible to have such a big oversold zone? It is possible. But again, we are still in the stage 1 of the bull market. So so wave 1, wave 2, is it possible to start the wave 3 already? It's possible. Okay, so this is my update today. If you haven't got my indicator, please subscribe it and try it. You can unsubscribe anytime. For the one who already subscribed my indicator, congratulations, you should make a lot on this, okay? And also on Coinbase. So if you look at here, so where is the next buying point? As long as the blue is still going up, okay, and then the red come back, this stock go back to the blue, and it happen have the same pattern like this one candle go above both line, or one candle stay very stably on the blue, and they have the red bar above the purple, and this one stay above 0 and flash the green, you is the next buying point, okay? This is for my subscriber. If you don't have my indicator bundle, you need to have your own strategy or wait for the pullback. But I'm not sure how low can they pull back. Okay, so far the support is around 31,000 or 32,000. So far, this is a support. And this line I already mentioned a few months ago on one of my Bitcoin channel, like on my BTC channel, okay? So you should pay close attention. And I received the email from one of my follower. Basically, they mentioned they bought it when they go above this resistance point. So congratulations for my subscriber. And if you want to learn more, click like, subscribe, and share with your friend right now. So far the Bitcoin's up 4.38%. Just need to be careful. If you haven't got stock, if you want to buy right now, you need to pay very close attention to this RSI daily chart. It could pull down. Okay, so this is my update today, and love and peace. I see you in the next video, and please, you highly recommend to watch this video. Okay, I will put in the end of the video about when is the peak, and also again what is the target price of the final bull peak. Okay, so this is not the final peak. This is not the final peak. This is just a middle term peak. Okay, you will pull back and then for the next peak. Okay, is it cool? Cool. If it's cool, click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. I see you in the next video. Bye.